Why this snail is so slow? Have you ever seen a snail? What does it look like? What is the difference between snails and sloths? What is sloths? I will tell. What is this snail male? Sloths mean I think something slow, lazy, right? Snail mail. Snail mail जानते हो it comes very ये late, huh? Just like our postcard. Okay. Huh? Why is it so cold? Called because it goes very late. Even it does not go. Huh? Long ago, when Mother Earth was young and animals looked quite different from the way they are now. Understood? So, animals were not like now. They are not like now. The snail was quite different. Snake was also very different. How? He was a long, slim creature. Slim जानती तो? पतला. With very light and soft brown body. तो तार बहुत light body. हाँ, बहुत हल्का body. And soft brown body. तार brown थिला. Okay? हाँ? Brown body. And a tiny little curly tail. So he had also a tail. Okay. Acha. He had no feet and legs. Okay, he had no feet and legs with which to run. So he had no legs, he had no feet. Okay, huh? So that he could run. But even so, he was one of the fastest creatures in the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom re, तथापि even so, she was one of the fastest creatures. जोरे दौड़ुला है गोड़ न थी पाद न थी he slithered along the ground with a lightning speed. Slide ର past tense slither ହେଲା slide ର past tense तुम जेमती slide कर बेले बेले हैला से भलिया he was sliding along the ground with a lightning speed, stretching and arcing his back high. So stretching and arcing. So stretch करिया माने सीधा करिया, arcing माने bend करिया. Okay. And he moved so fast that he was almost impossible to keep up with. माने ताकू केही तोड़ी परिबेनी हैला to keep up with ताकू तोड़ीबा भारी डिफिकल्ट हो हैला rapidly gliding snakes gliding snakes जो snakes गुड़ा भी slide करती हैला hawk-eyed owls ସେମାନେ ବି owls picture and even leaping frogs found it difficult to catch him. Okay, frogs leap ଜାଣିଛ ତ ଡେଇଁବା ଜାଣିଛ ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ so they found it difficult to catch him. Okay, catch him ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ତା ପଛରେ ତଡ଼ିବାକୁ to keep up with him, just to run with him as he zipped across the ground. Zipped माने जोरे पळेवा, right, round on his smooth belly, leaving behind a fine tail of silver to show that he had been there. So leaving behind गोटे पछरे से छाड़ी जाउथला कोन फाइन ट्रेल ऑफ गोटे ट्रेल गोटे जाईची बोली. ओके जाईची बोली गोटे माने एग्जांपल छाड़ी जाउथला ट्रेल ऑफ ओके सिल्वर. Okay, silver color to show that he had been there. So he was in that place. The snail liked to challenge other small creatures of his neighborhood to run a race to see who would win. ତାହେଲେ କିଏ ଜିତିବ, who would win ସେଟା ଦେଖିବାକୁ ସେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲା, he liked to challenge other small creatures. Okay, ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଥିଲା ଯିବ ଆନିମଲ୍ସ ହେଲା, ତାକୁ ସେ କହୁଥିଲା ଆସ ତୁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ରନ୍ କରିବ ହେଲା, who would win and how proud he was when he came out the victor. So he came out victor, he was always winning. The slow lumbering turtle, lumbering means moving clumsily, not nicely. Okay, the slow lumbering turtle, the crusty crab. Okay, lumbering turtle, crusty crab, crab means कौन कंकड़ा. Okay, huh? With 8 bow legs, 8 bow legs. Bow legs माने तार लेग गुड़ा होची धनु भलिया हैला, हैं बंका टंका. And even the ugly bouncy toad माने बाउंस कर से जाए डे डे हैला, bouncy toad were left far behind in every race he challenged them to. Okay, so से जोड़ा ताकू कहूला तुम आस मो संगे रेस करो, they all were left far behind. Okay,
तो snail does it didn't roll
because he was the fastest creature at that time. Okay, one of the fastest, not fastest. Okay, the slippery eel. Okay, eel, what is how would I animal, and the quietly gliding water snake. Quietly से glide करे, water snake were so vanquished by the swift snail. So vanquished माने they were also defeated. Who always whizzed past the finishing line fast. Who always whizzed past माने whiz fast माने जोर रे सांग सांग क्रॉस करियो फिनिशिंग लाइन टा हैला, फास्ट हो. All these victories soon change the snail's attitude. Attitude change कर देला हैला, माने से बहुत प्राउड हो जाइतो, and his pride in his speed and prowess change to conceit हैला. So तार स्नेल एटीट्यूड चेंज स्नेल and his pride in his speed माने प्राइड भी बढ़ी गला, तार स्पीड संगे तार प्राइड भी बढ़ी गर्व. So and his pride in his speed. Okay, तामाने तार his pride in his speed, तार जो स्पीड अच्छी से प्राउड कला. Okay, and the prowess change to conceit. Okay, prowess means outstanding skill, change to conceit. Seda, and his pride in his speed and prowess means तार गोटे skill. That skill now has changed to conceit. Conceit माने बेसी गर्व होइला, सेटा भी प्राइड. conceit माने कोन बहुत प्राइड. Whereas he was merely vain earlier, ହେଲା, he was merely vain earlier. Now he became so swollen headed. से भी एबे आस मोर धर गया. Tool. Okay. Whereas he was merely vain earlier. Merely vain earlier. आगुरु से ते नथिला, proud नथिला. He was vain earlier, merely vain earlier. Now he became so swollen headache. Okay. And popped off. माने एबे से कौन हला एबे कथा कहला एबे स्वेलन हेडेड हे गला माने एबे धीरे धीरे चेंज हे गला तार हैं कि गोटे हमें कहूछु गोटे स्नेल विषय रे स्नेल टा कौन थला आगु बहुत बहुत जोर दौड़थला किंतु एबे कौन दौड़ पारुछ सो नाउ ही पॉप्ड माने बेसी मोटा हे जिवा हला फुली जिवा दैट ही वाज अनप्लीजेंट टू हैव अराउंड ओके हैं तामाने बुलिबा को बाहरे अनप्लीजेंट से बे अनप्लीजेंट एटा बंद सब ओके देखो he was rude and extremely scornful of his neighbors okay scornful of his neighbors से पूरा स्कॉर्नफुल माने तांको देखिले चिडुची स्कॉर्न especially when it was a house hunting time house hunting and all the creatures were looking for comfortable homes for themselves okay so जेतबे घर दरकार कोडी के रहिबो बस्ता बांधिबा को so this say समय when it was house hunting time and all the creatures were looking for comfortable homes everybody is looking for looking for means what searching searching comfortable homes for themselves सेतबेले he is very scornful of his neighbors the fat toad was the first to find a nice place of his own okay पुरेऊ की आड़ बुझे गला देले ये आड़ बुरो बस होला हो जाएगा दी cat toad was first to find a nice place of his own toad first पाई जाए ହେଲା ଭଲ ଜାଗା से पाई जाए ता घर रह को गोटे घर करिया पे ହେଲା नहीं नहीं toad cat toad is another animal right it was a safe cool muddy place under a large rock गोटे बड़ पत्थर तले रॉक तले muddy place and he settled into it contentedly पूरा खुशी रे contentedly माने कोन खुशी रे with a satisfied croak माने गोटे बोबाई croak माने कोन बोबे जो तारो बोबेगा डो कोन croak come and see my home he called out okay he called out proudly to the snail to point डाकिला the snail hurried to the spot ता जगह गला देखिया को hurried माने जोर दौड़ की जीवा हैला hurried to the spot हैला the happy toad give him a warm welcome happy toad gave him a warm welcome ताकू से देला गोटे कहला गुड मॉर्निंग एमती करके वेलकम कर एंड as the snail looked around he said hospitably माने hospitably माने कौन ओके नॉट इन ये माने in a humble voice okay in humble voice he told ହେଲା politely hospitably ହେଲା you can also move in here with me if you like କିଏ କହିଲା ହେଲା and as the snail looked around ହେଲା snail ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାରିଆଡେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ toad କହିଲା he said hospitably आज मैंने आज गोटे भल लोक भाया से कहला गेस्ट हिसाब से क्या स्नेल को कौन कहला यू कैन ऑल्सो मूव इन हियर विथ मी इफ यू लाइक बोला आसनु घर को आसे मूव इन हियर देयर इज प्लेंटी ऑफ रूम एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉर ए रूममेट टू से कहला तू गोटे मो रूममेट है जा मो संगे रह रूममेट said the snail rudely से पूरा माने छिछाड़ी कथा कहला माने रागेरे हला रागेर नु rudely not a very not a good voice not in polite voice he told what a terrible place this is I would not dream of moving in with you हला I would not dream of मु स्वप्न रे भी भाबिबिनी मूविंग इन विथ यू तो संगे रही बोली अच्छा ए सुपीरियर क्रिएचर लाइक मी नीड्स ए सुपीरियर प्लेस टू आई एम ए सुपीरियर क्रिएचर आई नीड ए सुपीरियर प्लेस आल्सो यस सो सेइंग ही डैश्ड अवे पळेला डैश्ड अवे दौड़िगिरी पळेला हां बाटे बुढ़ा हेगिरी हला okay he soon passed beneath a large tree a large tree देगिरी तळे गला बुझबो ना नहीं and as he looked up he saw that it was bustling with activity माने ता ऊपर ट्री ऊपर कौन केते कौन लोक का अछंदी आ से कौन चढ़ई पड़े हैला हैं बुझबला ए लार्ज स्क्वायरल हैं गुंडुची मुसा जानछो तो स्क्वायरल with a busy tail with a bushy tail तारो तार टेल टा टिके बुसी माने टे घास माने ये भलिया टे मोटा टिके बुसी टेल हला which had made a snug home in a deep hole हला a large squirrel अछि with a bushy tail which had made a snug home in a deep hole in the tree trunk हला बुझबत ना नहीं से गोटे देखला हैला which had made a snug home snug home कोडी करछि से अरे कोडी करछि इन ए डीप होल इन दी ट्री स्ट्रॉन्ग गोटे ट्री स्ट्रॉन्ग रे ट्रंक जानिछ तो ट्री रो जो गंडीटा ट्रंक कहती हैला ता देर गोटे होल अछि बड़ होल डीप होल हैला हैं तार गोटे अछि बुझबेलो सेठी कोन हेछि हैला से रहिछि peeped out at him ताको अनेला बाहर को डुंगिला peeped out a pair of pigeons जानते तो अरे pigeons जानते तो आरा pigeons were busy building a nest on one of the higher branches of the tree okay busy building a nest से माने भी nest बनाउछन on one of the higher branches of the tree गोटे ब्रांच रे माने बनाउछन कोन हैं नेस्ट बनउ हैं and a small black bat गोटे ब्लैक बैट एटा हला स्क्वायरल एटा होची pigeons this is the black bat कौन जानछ कि रे बादुड़ी कोन हां was hanging upside down माने उल्टा हला and sleeping peacefully से upside down रही के भी आराम रे निद्रा से हला upside down and sleeping peacefully. A little black mouse had burrowed into a little hole, okay, near the roots of the tree. Here, okay, had burrowed. माने गोटे बसा करछि. Burrowed माने dog the ground. बुझबो छ नहीं? Burrowed माने कोन? हैं? Dog the ground. Dig रो past tense dog. खोलिबा. Into a dog into a little hole near the roots of the tree. सेटा गोटे छोटिया गात कर साला. And the snail could see lots of earthworms. Okay. And spiders were also living on the tree. है से माने भी ट्री रे लिव रहले है बुझलन ने सेटा जदी बुझबेलो ताले तो देखिला इट वाज ए लवली प्लेस टू लिव हैं कोटा गछ डाळ ए गछ जागाटा क्वाइट पीसफुल एंड सैडी छाई भी पड़ुची सैडी क्वाइट जानछो तो चुपचाप एरिया बट द स्नेल the snail shook his head and decided that it was not a home of him. Okay, but snail did not like that place. Snail shook his head. Shook ta karpan says first tense. Shake shook second. Shook his head mana kala and decided that it was not the home for him. Hala se jaga re rahi pariba. Too many others are living there too. Okay, he murmured. Se mane kala besi lok rahउछन मु रहिबो. I don't want that. I want a place all to myself. मोर गोटे जागा दरकार मु एकुटिया रहिबो. All to myself. Place all to myself. हैला I am after all the fastest creature around. तो सेते बेलर से कथा से fastest creature बोली थिला हैला हैं इट इज swollen headed माने गर्भी हो जाई एक्चुअली पॉप्ड अप हैला गर्भी हो जाई एंड पॉप्ड अप मोटा हैला दैट ही वाज अनप्लीजेंट टू हैव अराउंड हैला कोडे बुलिबा को एते हे गलानी जे से काहा को देखिले भी ताको चिड़ा लागलानी हैं हैला बहुत गर्भी हो गलानी हैं सेटा से आथिला हैं I am after all the fastest creature around. This snobbish and selfish little snail, okay, continued on his way, looking for a home. Home घर खोज खोज चलला. He came across a large ant hill. कौन भेटला से? Came across माने भेटिला. हाँ came across माने कौन भेटिबा met met a large ant hill teeming with hundreds of red ants teeming. Okay, they were there living there. They were all too busy to notice him. Okay, they were so busy they did not notice him. इनकी गोटे आसची क्रिएचर किए स्नेल आसची they were they were too busy to notice him. तमन से मन तक देखले ना देखले देखना too busy to notice तो देखना है ना हाँ इटे बुझल इटे no लिखा है not लिखा है but it is in the negative. Okay, and he decided that this exclusive colony was obviously no place for him. This is an exclusive colony. They are not they are very busy, and they are one type of people, ants. Hello? So they are one type of creature. So that is not a place for him. He made a crab. Hello? And who lived in a snob little crevice in a stone wall. He met a crab who lived in a snob. Hello? Se rahutila little crevice. Crevice means narrow crack in a stone wall. गोटे stone wall रे से गोटे छोटिया अच्छी कणा सेठी रहउतला. Crack अच्छी फाट अच्छी सेठी रहउतला. हैला? And the crab pointed out helpfully that the wall had plenty more of such cubby holes. से कहला तू आ से रह. से pointed out से देखेला helpfully help कला वाली से देखेला that the wall had plenty more of such cubby holes. छोटे छोटे होल अच्छी हैला तो आसी रही जा. And the snail could easily move into one of them. तो ये पसी पारिबो आराम से snail. But the snail rebuffed से मना कला. Rebuffed माने rejected bluntly. हैला हां ताको से rebuffed कला मना कला. हैं this crab's attempt at the neighborly behavior हैला क्राब ताको नेबरली बिहेवियर करछि किंतु से ताको भारी ये रे मना कला ए तू कोन कोज मो एंड विथ ए रूड स्नॉट हला स्प्रिंटेड अवे पळेला बुझिबो ना नहीं से पळेला. As he was running without looking where he was going, he banged into a जागी पड़ेला दूलगिरी banged into a round hard object. अरे से कुआडे अन्ने जाउनी without looking anywhere से सीधा जाउ जा आखी जा हला से कोन हला the round hard object गोटे गोलिया hard object से जे बाटेला हला डक्का हला अच्छा बुझबो हां he rubbed his head and looked at the object. देखला कौन है गिरी हला carefully and it was a large brown cone shaped हला brown एटा cone shaped कौन cone shaped shell गोटे shell गोटे हला गोटे सामु काटे हैं shell कौन हला it looked very attractive and as the snail poked his head into it se purela ta mundoda purela poked his head into it hela munta ta bhitor purela carefully देखियो एटा attractive थिला ना देखियो he found that there was no one in it. तो देखला एबे तो कोई नहीं. With a little हला cortle of a delight. cortle माने chuckle माने हसिला हला of delight खुशी रे हला the snail decided then and there and decide कला that this was the perfect home for him. एटा ता भलो होम से पसंद हाँ रहते सब्जी बताओ इतनी तो बस it had a room only for him एकुटिया रही परिबो सो ही वुड नॉट हैव टू शेयर स्पेस विथ एनीवन से आउ का संगे शेयर करिवनी स्पेस से एकुटिया रहला इट वाज वेरी सेफ भी ना बाहर का पूरा टाण अछि के हैला हैं safe too. It was very safe too, and as no unwelcome intruders would ever enter it. ଯାହାକୁ ଡକା ହେଇନି ସେ କେବେ ଆସିକି ୟା ଭିତରେ ପଶି ପାରିବନି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୁଡର ମାନେ ଯିଏ ଆସିକି ପଶିଯିବ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୁଡର would ever enter it ସେମାନେ କେହି ପଶି ପାରିବେ it was the perfect home for the unsociable and rather conceited snail. Garbage snail, unsociable snail. So he quickly crept into the snail, pasiala, and with a little twisting and turning, ता भीतर से बुली बांकी जाइए, found that he fitted in very snugly, माने बहुत छंदी हो गलानी snugly, okay, fitted in snugly. His little tail was hidden from view. Tail टा देखा जाऊँ, of course, but he did not mind this much, as this would only be when he was at home. But he did not mind this much. से ताको mind करनी है as this would only be when he was at home. His little tail was hidden from view, of course, but he did not mind this much, as this would only be when he was at home. Okay. कारण ओके से भाविला जे जदि से घरे रहइबो या हबो तो कोन टेलटा से देखियोनी घरे रहले उन तो जीव बाहर को हैला then tried from all his exertion, okay, then tired from all his exertion, एबे tired हो जाइसे exertion हो जाइ तारो ना tired, the snail closed his eyes सोई पइला and fell asleep सोई गला से जानि न then हैला when he woke up उठिला a little later उठिला he felt quite refreshed हैला उठिला दिन ताको refreshed लागे and decided to go for a run in search of food चाइना टे जीवा दौड़िया देखिया कोन होची द फास्टेस्ट रनर he tried to get out of his cell से घरु बाहरिया चाइना thinking that he could slide out easily हैला से ता भीतर बाहर आछो slide out easily but to his dismay ता भाग्य को तार जो dismay माने तार दुख dismay he found that he was wedged so tightly माने पूरा लाखी into it that he could not move freely also freely move कर परिबो sticking his head out बाहर गला था मुंह बाहर he began to struggle furiously with all his energy he had तार जेते थिला एनर्जी ताकू देकरी he began to struggle furiously हैला but it was of no use हैला it was of no use तार किसने काम नहीं लगा try though he might हैला try though he might he could not get his body out of the cell try though he might जितने जोरे से try करूँ he could not get his body out of the cell हैला or shake it off हले लगी हैला and finally इन डिसअपॉइंटमेंट एंड एग्जॉस्शन ए पुणी एग्जॉस्ट एटा एग्जॉस्शन है ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ एग्जॉस्शन पुणी टायर्ड हो गला ହେଲା he gave up ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଲା gave up माने ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଲା for the time being ଏବେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଲା time being ମାନେ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ସେ ଆଉ କଲାନି ଭିଡା ହେଲା but he was still very hungry and it was long past his meal time मैंने meal time गलानी बहुत hungry हो गलानी so he decided to hurry along से चलियो है एमती हेल्ले चलियो to get a tasty morsel for himself okay so to go for or to search for a food somewhere he tried to arc his back बैक टाकू से कौन कला आर्क बुलेला इन इज यूजुअल वे जेमती बुलाए है before he started his sprint but he found to his horror horror माने horror film नहीं जेमती horror that is cell which was clinging to his back was very cumbersome. It was very cumbersome, very difficult to, or it was not very okay flexible. It was heavy too, heavy भी थिला, and he realized that he could only crawl along. से कहला crawl कर परियो. हाँ जीवा. At a very slow pace. देखला जे बहुत स्लो से धीरे धीरे जीवो grasping and panting धई सही होगा grasping and panting he tried very hard to regain some of his old speed देखला किसी old speed आनिबो but it was impossible आउ speed आछो कि हम the snail which had been the fastest creature had become due to his own selfishness selfishness is slowest से सबुठू slowest हो गला as the predicament sunk in predicament माने problem sunk in he was horrified okay problem टा बेसी बढ़िला he was be horrified the cell which had seemed the best place in the world to live all by himself से भाबिथिला एटा now seemed so cramped हला प्रटा को जाल भलिया लागला नहीं एटा and was an enormous burden that he would have to carry always so ये ता सेटा को सब बेले कैरी करके नबो हला the snail cried hot tears of regret से कांदिला एवं तार लुह बाहरला of regret and wished heartily that he had not been so conceited and selfish से एमितिया गर्भी न थांदा proud न थांदा so conceited and selfish but all his regrets were of no use to this day he crawls to this day आज जाए to this day he crawls along very slowly with his tail hidden out of sight ता tail देखा जाओ भीतर अछि हला hidden है गिरछ out of sight माने दृश्य हमको देखा जाओ and the cell is on his back forever cell भी सब बेले ता बैक रे अछि हला